and it will be in three parts. First, please introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Sir, my name is Rahul Tahir. I am from Mujita district, Amritsar, and I have completed my graduation from Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar. In my family, there is my father, he's a government employee, and my mother, she is a housewife, and my sibling, the younger sibling, his name is Ravish, and my fiancée Richa.
Okay, all right. Let's talk about drinking water. How often do you drink water?
Sir, frankly speaking, I don't have the habit of drinking water much more. But now my mother is instigating me to drink water more and more so that I can also increase my metabolism and can work on my fat. So I am growing my habit of drinking water.
Okay, what kinds of water do you like to drink?
Normally I used to like to drink normal water, that is filtered water. But when I am on my running mode or when I go for jogging, that is my hobby, then I prefer lemon water.
Okay. Do you drink bottled water or water from machines?
It depends according to situation. But I will prefer to drink the water from our filtered water from the machines, and will avoid drinking water from the bottle, and it may contain some type of plastic which can cause harm to our body.
Okay, let's talk about maths. Do you think mathematics is important?
I believe that mathematics is very essential subject because it helps us to grow analytically, and also it increases our IQ, and it also helps us to in our daily routine. For example, in doing the calculations, etc.
Okay.
It's a good subject to go with.
Do you think mathematics is difficult to learn?
I believe that everything gets easier when you practice it. It depends upon one's interest. When we are indulged in solving mathematical problems, and it becomes a habit, and then it will not become much more difficult as it seems to be.
Okay. Do you often use calculator?
I do not use often calculator. I try to do my basic calculations on my own so that I can also work on my IQ level. But yes, when there is some tedious task, then I prefer using calculators.
Okay. Are girls generally good at mathematics?
It's a basic perception in our country that girls are much more intelligent in mathematics. But I don't think that gender has to play a part here. Means it depends upon one's interest. In today's era, I believe that both male and female they are equal. There is no discrimination, and I don't think that gender have to play their part.
Okay, all right. Let's talk about borrowing and lending the money. Have you borrowed books from others?
Yes, I have borrowed books from my brothers, from my sister. Recently, I have bought one book from my brother Saurabh, elder brother. He has recommended me the book to read You Can Win by Shiv Ken.
Okay. Have you ever borrowed money from others?
When I was unemployed, then I used to borrow money from my friends. In type of sometimes there is a need. Also, that's why I used to borrow money from my friends.
Okay. Do you like to lend things to others?
It's not a bad practice to lend some things to others, but before lending, I would like to know the reason that why that person wants my anything, and then I have no issue with lending.
Okay. How do you feel when someone borrow things from you and do not return in time?
Obviously, I will not feel good because that person has ignored that he has my valuable thing along with him. But yes, I will not comment before any justification, before getting any justification from him. Yeah, and if he is justified, he has justified himself, then there is no quarrel or any other means to say anything to him.
Okay. All right. We are moving to the part 2. These are the cue card portion, and you have to describe a foreign celebrity that you want to meet in person. I'm repeating the question. You have to describe a foreign celebrity that you would like to meet in person. Who this person is, how you knew about this person, what this person does, and why you want to meet this person? Rahul, you have 1 minute for the preparation and 2 minutes to speak on it.
Yes, sir. Can you please repeat second question?
Who this person is, how you know about this person, and what this person does, and why you want to meet this person. Yeah, your time starts now for preparation. Okay, Rahul, your time is up. You may start now, please.
Yes, sir. I basically want to meet foreign celebrity. He is an actor. His name is Leonardo DiCaprio, and he has acted in many films. He is now an actor, a producer, and I began my interest, and he inspired me when I saw his first movie, that is Titanic. Then he acted in many more movies like Revolutionary Roads, Inception, etc. This was the basic purpose that I knew him through when we watched his movies or plays. Besides, he is an actor. He is the most thing that inspires me. He is an environmentalist, and he just loves nature. Means I have followed him on Instagram, on Facebook, and I frequently look out his videos. He always posted videos in the memory of the extinct animals. He has aware the public that these and these animals are coming under the category of red list IUCN numbers, and that's why I believe that being an actor, you just need not to perform well in movies or plays, but as a good human being, it's also your practice to devote your time and show care to the creatures, the animals who can't speak. So that's why this thing inspires me a lot to meet him, and I will be very thankful to God and Lady Luck if in my lifetime I ever get a chance to meet Leonardo DiCaprio. For me, he is not just a common actor. He is like an inspiration, a god to me, that who has always inspired me to move further and further in life and to achieve success in every goal of life. And I feel immensely proud to be his dedicated fan, because he is also won an Oscar award and has raised the name of his country, his family. I totally believe in him and want to go in his stepping stones.
Okay, all right. We are moving to the part 3. These are the follow-up question, and the first question is, how can people become famous?
I believe that 3 points are most important to becoming a famous personality. First thing is hard work, second is perseverance, and the third is patience. If person inculcates these golden habits in him, he can achieve success in any sphere of life.
Okay, all right. What are the advantages and disadvantages of becoming a celebrity?
Advantages of becoming a celebrity is, obviously we know that we become more firm from monetary value. Our family gets well settled. The struggles of life becomes a little bit easy. Yeah, but there are always two sides of a particular coin. And if we consider the disadvantages, the main disadvantage I think the celebrity faces is his privacy. That he cannot roam here and there like a common person like us. And sometimes their little actions are also very keenly observed by the audience, which can have a adverse effect in the society.
Okay. As per you, how can famous people influences the society?
Sir, famous people are like the public figures to each and every people. The people worship them, they love them, and they copy them basically. And these people, they are not just common. Whatever they do is keenly observed and by each and every their fans. And for during this time of pandemic, I believe that these persons who have come forward to raise awareness regarding this corona is having a great impact to all the common people. And I believe that they have inspired us, and their each and every action means a lot.
Okay. This is the last question, and the question is, why can some celebrities stay famous for a long time and while some cannot?
So I believe there is a luck factor in everything, that sometimes your success is lasting longer, and sometimes the people just fall down. But I also believe that the main focus that person should have in his life, because the future is unpredictable. Whenever one achieves success, he should always he should be always ground to earth. Second, he should never become egoistic, and he should not forget his background from where he belongs. He should never show his anger and overconfidence in any public place. He should be down to earth always. And with the blessings of Almighty and luck factor, he can have this success last long.
Okay. All right, Rahul. This was a very nice session with you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.